All right, guys, this is my review of the JYDETOOR really fun metal detector. So first of all, I'm just going to turn this on, and what you do to turn it on is just kind of set it here, um, turn it on. I think it's got to calibrate a little bit. All right. All right, so here's the actual LCD display. What makes it really cool is I put some coins in the yard that we're going to search for in a second, but it tries to do a good job of actually determining what kind of metal that you're going to find there. So whether it's coins like 25 cent, 50 cent, dollar pieces, or just like iron, or it's going to make different sounds for different things. But before we go do that, you've got to, dude, this was super easy to put together. First of all, I'm an idiot, dude. I put it together. You've got a nice little case for it so you can carry it around. I mean, we're coming into the summer months. You're going to be at the beach with your family. Why not search for some money to pay for the trip? And who knows, maybe you'll find something amazing like some jewelry or something. But the other cool thing it comes with is if you're actually going to go exploring, you've got a shovel, and you can screw to that a compass. So if you're really going in explore mode, dude, you want to go out with your kids, search for some gold or metal or something like that, you got the way to do it. Let's just go over here and just use it real quick. All right, we got something here. We got something here. Here it is. Look, it's a dime. We got a dime. Oh, there's something here. We got a quarter. See, it works really well. I just put some coins around. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Yep, there's another one. So, hey, this thing works. Ultimately, if you want to find metal, this thing finds metal.